Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. Okay, so today what we've got a VW Arteon, and it's 2018/19. So we've done a full audio upgrade where everything has stayed factory, stealth, but it's what's behind the scenes. Okay, sounds phenomenal. So what we've done a full Audison upgrade on this. So front components, rear components. We've also added a 5-channel amplifier, and the customer opted for a sub at the last second, so hence the 5-channel. So channel 1 and 2 front speakers, 3 and 4 rears, and then channel 5 would be the sub that's kicking out mono. So what we've installed, so you've got here Audison SR 5.600, phenomenal amp guys, 5-channel. You've got the APK 165, that's for the front, and then again the APK 165 for the rears, they're components. Phenomenal products guys. Here you can see what we've taken out. So these are your classic VW, your VAG really and truly, it's all your VAG speakers. They're your tweeters that have just come out as well. The customer does sell the car in a couple of years, it can all be taken out. But yeah, so most setups on VAG cars are pretty much similar. If you guys want anything done, give us a shout on 0208 554 5554, or email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com, or come and visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill guys. Thanks for watching.